In DataRobot NextGen, you can now bring your inference data prep into prediction jobs and perform push-down data prep at scale. Starting in a Workbench use case, here is a recipe prepared earlier from a Snowflake dataset. Use data wrangling recipes to join tables, perform aggregations, and do feature engineering to prepare data for both model training and inference. Modify recipes to perform your desired data prep, such as filtering rows, or in this case, adding a new step to compute a new feature. When you are finished editing, publish the recipe and then use it to generate input data for a prediction job. Here in Console, this deployment shows a new Wrangler recipe option for selecting as the prediction dataset. Choose from a list of your existing Snowflake Wrangler recipes. In the future, this list of recipes will also include other cloud data warehouses, cloud storage, and AI catalog options. To schedule ongoing jobs for predictions, simply create a job definition for your deployment from the Predictions tab. After selecting a recipe, set your prediction options as you would with any other prediction job and choose where to send prediction results, such as right back to Snowflake. Set a schedule for your prediction job and then save. This job definition can also be edited later if you need to make changes. Looking in the batch jobs run history, check to see that your inference data prep has run and predictions were made and written back to Snowflake. With inference data prep in DataRobot, you can seamlessly support data transformations at inference time and leverage the scale and compute of Snowflake to power your production workflows.